Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got a unit looking like this to looking like that. If you guys are interested in seeing how I was able to transform these wigs, both the straight wig and this deep curly wig, definitely stay tuned and keep on watching. For this tutorial, you will need a conditioner, of course, some shampoos, some antibacterial liquid, and of course, some leave-in dense conditioner. The first thing I'm going to do is saturate the wig with cold water. Not cold, but just cool. You don't want to use hot water. I'm going to go in with 1 to 2 caps of the antibacterial solution that I just showed you guys. This is just going to make sure that the hair is super clean. I'm going to go in with some conditioning shampoo on top of that, just so that I'm not extracting too much of the natural oils out of the hair. And so I'm going in with some more hair around the nape, and I'm going to go ahead and just basically start scrubbing out all of the dirt and all of the debris that has collected and caked up into this wig. This wig was given to me by a customer. She brought her wig to me wanting to get her wig revamped, have that wig surgery service done to kind of bring this otherwise pretty good wig back to life. It was just really poorly maintained. And so I'm guessing that is what brought the wig to look, how it looked when it was given to me. But nonetheless, these wigs are not trash. You can still go ahead and revive them. So I'm going in now with some regular shampoo from the Aussie collection. And now I'm just going in again and saturating the hair, scrubbing the ends, scrubbing the nape, scrubbing the lace, and just really getting in and working all that product into the hair, so that way I can wash away all of the dirt and I'm not missing any spots. I want this hair to be completely bare and clean, so that when I go to style it and I go to moisturize it, the curls revert back and they're really pretty, just as if she just bought it. Now I'm going in with some dense conditioner. This is the Manoy oil conditioner from OGX Cosmetics, or OGX, whatever they call it. Now I'm going in with the coconut milk conditioner. This is a really, really good conditioner. I saw something on Instagram about this company. I will link it. I forgot what they said, but they said something about this company having formaldehyde in their products. So don't quote me on it. But I mean, it's a wig. We ain't putting it on our real hair. Target vulnerable areas, right? You want to make sure that you are getting the nape and the sides. Those are both very vulnerable areas of your wig. Usually the nape is where it gets the most tangled. As you guys can see, when I first received this wig, it was super tangled around the nape. So don't be afraid to, put some extra product back there and take your time and really detangle all that out from the end of the hair to the root of the hair. Just because the back of your hair is where a lot of friction is, and you switch your head in different positions all day long, all that friction makes the hair kind of like knot up. And so you have to make sure that every day you are taking your time and detangling the wig, and making sure that every day when you do wear the wig is just properly maintained, so that you do not have that collection of knotting in the nape, and you're able to continuously wear the wig over an extended amount of time. So now you guys just see me, this is obviously sped up, but I'm taking my time and I'm really working that product through the hair and combing the hair out. Once I was finished with that, I'm going to go in and do the same process to the straight wig, going with my Dettol, going with my shampoo, and really work this concoction in. I know some people like to use silicone mix, some people like to use different products. These products work for me. They're inexpensive, they're pretty much very easy to get, and they work just as well and just as effectively as your traditional silicone mix, which is pretty much the same thing. So now you guys see me pretty much washing all that product out the hair. You guys will see in the water like all of the dirt and debris come out of the hair because of that Dettol and because of that clarifying shampoo. So that those products that I listed earlier, they really help to extract all of the dirt and debris out the hair that you cannot see. Now I'm going in with my conditioner to restore moisture back into the hair. So I don't want to do all this conditioning and all this shampooing or all this stripping of of oils and things like that and not restore moisture back to the hair, because your wig will be giving stiffiana. You know, we'll be giving you ain't honey. It'll be giving stiffy, you know, stiffy on the bliffy on the spliffy. And so we want to make sure that, you know, you thoroughly detangle every single kink. You know, this does take a little bit of time, you know, just detangling it, but it just really just depends on how bad the wig is. Some wigs are not really that tangled, but some wigs are really tangled, and you have to be careful and be delicate when you are detangling these units. So for the rest of this video, you guys are going to see me pretty much just, you know, wash it out, get all of that excess product out, and continue to detangle the hair. Now, as I was detangling the hair, I did notice that a lot of the hair on the curly wig was coming out. And I'm pretty sure that it was shedding like that. It looks so much beautiful. It looks so beautiful right here after it's been treated, but it did shed a lot. And the reason why it shed a lot is because the hair was really extremely matted. And as you guys can see, all of that hair is what actually came out of her wig. So in my left hand was this, you know, the hair that came out of the straight wig, and in my right hand was the hair that came out of the curly wig. So you guys can see the huge difference with how much hair came out of that curly wig. Just a FYI to keep your wigs detangled, okay? Now you guys are going to see me go in and do the generic, you know, pretty much bleaching technique. Not nothing too, you know, crazy, something you guys have never seen before, but I am going in with 50 volume developer because I want the knots on this, these, you know, lace to bleach. These knots are super thick and super big. And so I want to make sure that, you know, just by doing it one time, maybe twice, the knots are going to actually take to the color and bleach and give me that scalp, you know, effect once I've actually air dried my hair, or air dried the hair. So now you guys see me going in with this, you know, bleach. I like to use the blue one versus using the BW2 powder, because the BW2 powder gives you a very orangey, very orangey undertone. So I like to go in with that blue one. It kind of tones the hair as it's bleaching it, which is pretty cool. Purred. So now you guys see the hair is just sitting in, you know, the sink. It's going ahead and, you know, bleaching. And I'm going to just show you guys how I pack the bleach onto the frontal. I literally put the frontal on the mannequin head backwards, so all the hair is out the way. And I just, you know, like paste it on, literally like if you were painting a wall or painting a painting. You know, you just kind of paste it on. You do not want to push too far, because you do not want the bleach to go on, like seep through the lace and touch the hair. So you want to pack it on. Once you've bleached it, you're going to go on with your shiny and silver purple shampoo. You know, there's a ton of different brands you can use. They all do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and tone the hair. Once the hair is sitting and toned, now we're going to go ahead and wash all of that purple conditioner out. I did say purple shampoo, but it's actually purple conditioner. I prefer to use the conditioner versus using the shampoo, because the conditioner still adds back moisture into the hair ultimately whilst toning it. Now this is the nape of the curly wig after it was, you know, detangled, and you guys can see it looks so much prettier and so much healthier once the hair was treated. Now I'm going to go ahead and let the hair soak in that Manoi oil conditioner, and just kind of let it soak up some of that moisture, and, you know, just let it come back to life. You know what I'm saying? Because it was giving casket ready a few clips ago. But now she's given, you know, she's given like, okay, we could finesse her. Like, you know, the hair is given wearable, the hair is given healthy, the hair is given clean, the hair is given moisturized, the hair is given what it's supposed to have gave. So this is the curly hair after the treatment. Now I'm going to allow the hair to air dry and then prepare to pluck and style the unit. Now for the fun part. In this particular part of the video, I'm going to actually show you guys how I pluck my units. I go on with a very angled tweezer and just, you know, a rat tail comb. I know it looks a little raggedy, but, you know, that's to be honest, a comb is a comb, period. So as you guys see me right here, I'm going in And plucking it, there's no, particular method that I use to pluck. I just literally pluck out the hairline to the, liking, what I think will look best, to mimic a natural hairline. And so I don't pluck too much in the same area. I go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth to make sure that I'm, maintaining a gradient effect. Now for the fun part, all I'm going to do now here is just begin to style the wig. All I'm doing for this deep curly wig is just literally getting the baby hairs to look nice, and working some product into the curly hair. All I'm putting in the curly hair is a little bit of conditioner mixed with some water. That's what you guys see on the hair already. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some mousse at the top and at, near the crown of the hair to make sure that everything is laying super seamlessly and super flat, and that the curls at the top also stay really defined. And this is the finished look for the straight wig. Period. You cannot tell me this don't look like a completely different wig from what I showed you guys earlier. I'm super, 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 super proud of how the wigs came out. I'm super, satisfied with how everything just came out. I loved both wigs, both the curly and the straight wig. If this was helpful, be sure to, let me know in the comment section down below if this was able to help you in reviving your own wig at home. So yes, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope it was able to help you, and I will definitely see you guys in the later one. Bye guys.